Hello everyone, this is your FAANG Sunday Sentiment Report. You're looking at Meta. Meta is chopping sideways right now. It is recovering from a 2-week downtrend, although the algorithms are still showing movement to the upside, structure is still to the upside. We do have some pressure from AI to the downside here. We've pulled back up to these algo triggers right here. I anticipate prices will continue to move sideways for a while and then begin their journey back to the upside. Next up is Amazon. Kind of the same story for Amazon. A lot of sidewards movement here, structures to the upside. The current algorithms are showing a movement to the downside, and AI is also showing a little bit of pressure down to the downside, but I really think that this is going to continue to move sideways and then start to move back up again. Apple just continues to get hammered. I've kind of revised my forecast a little bit. I don't think we're going to see much sideways movement anymore. I think the story is to the downside for now. Structures to the downside, algorithms are pointing to the downside. We've broken through this algo trigger here, moving down to this next one here. If it breaks through to that one, we don't have much to stop it all the way down to this area over here. So I think continued bad news for Apple as far as stock price is concerned. So we'll see what happens there. Next up, Netflix. Kind of the same story. I still see a movement to the downside, maybe a little choppiness to the side, but structures to the downside. The algorithms have had a upside 2-week pullback. There is a order pool down here that we almost touched, but I think movement is going to be choppy sideways and still down for Netflix. All right, so here's the big surprise of the week. Google, which was in a very, very strong uptrend for a long time, had a huge bar to the downside this week, enough to trip the algorithms to the downside. AI is showing downward pressure, sort of has settled down at this order pool and this algo trigger right here. Structure is still to the upside on this, so I think that it will chop sideways for a while and start its journey back up. Two reasons for this big pullback. One was that although they had outstanding earnings announced on Wednesday, they missed on their number for cloud computing, which is tied directly to the AI sort of frenzy. And I think there is a perception that Google is getting behind the 8 ball as far as the whole AI mania is concerned, and that is why people have lost a little faith in the price of Google. Anyway, that's it for this week. Have a great week. If you like the FAANG report and the midweek market update, you should check out the Trade Faction. The Trade Faction is a Slack channel in which I post my trading plan for the day and go through my trades in detail. If you just want to learn about trading or hang out, you can come to the Trade Faction. Best thing about it, it's free. Just go to the website, click on the link, and join for free.